How to fix Roblox, please confirm your identity error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video, I will show you how you can fix Roblox, please confirm your identity error. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix Roblox, please confirm your identity error. First of all, you want to make sure that this is not the problem with the identification itself. So if it is a problem with the identification, you might want to verify your email address. By that is because it is asking you to confirm your identity. So that's the only thing that you need to do. We are going to get that to the later section of this video, but for now what we're going to do is we're going to do some other checks. So first we want to make sure that Roblox is working just fine. So you want to check all the Roblox servers over here, that is status.roblox.com. Once you come to status.roblox.com, over here you'll find user, player, creator, and then history. You want to make sure that all of these functions are operational. If all of these functions are operational, then we will know that it's not the problem from Roblox side. Then the other thing we have to do is check our internet connection. So we're going to go to speedtest.net. We're going to hit the go button and then check our speed test over here, and then if it's anything above 50 Mbps per second, then you have most likely a very good internet connection, and you don't have to worry about your internet connection because the internet is working just fine. Or if you have an internet connection, if it's really slow, you might want to change some settings such as limiting the bandwidth of a network connection and so on. Or else after that, what you could try to do is I will just come to, let's say, roblox.com over here, and then once I come to roblox.com, I can see I'm signed into my account already. So what you can try to do is just click on the gear icon and then go to settings. Once you go to settings, first of all check on which email your Roblox ID is actually associated with. So right over here you can see it's associated with my Yahoo or Gmail. So in your case, if it's Gmail, just open that specific mail and then verify whether you have received any kind of email from Roblox, because it could also be a two-step verification. And one thing I suggest you do is, if you don't find it just in the recents tab, you can go to all mail over here. Once you go to all mail, in the search mail section, you can just type in Roblox, and then once you type in Roblox over here, you might receive different type of verification email. So here you can see Roblox email validation, Roblox email verification. Just try to go to each of these, and then when you just click on the link that says I agree or validate email, or I agree and verify email, and so on, because that is most likely also going to get your job done. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then fix please confirm your identity error on Roblox. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.